Now we will see about while loop in Python. So now I am creating the initialization statement for while loop. So I am having the control variable for the while loop as I and the initial value of I as 1, and in the next line while I less than or equal to 10. So this is the test condition for while loop. So I should end with a colon, and in the next line in the first level indentation I am just printing I. So in the print statement I am giving the second parameter as end parameter with \t as value, that is tab character as value. Now when I run the program, I need to give the updation statement, the third part. So I plus equal to 1. So this is shorthand addition assignment operator. So I plus equal to 1 means I equal to I plus 1. So now when I run this loop, the output will be presented as follows. So this will print I from 1 to 10 in the horizontal line. Because I have given the end parameter as \t, it will leave tab space after each value of I. So the print statement will end with tab character in each iteration. And now let us change that tab character into a single space, and when I run it again, so the output comes with a space at the end. Each value of I is having a space at the end. And now when I remove this end parameter and simply give print I, it will print the same values of I in a vertical manner, because each print statement will go to a new line automatically in Python. And this while loop is having an optional else part in case of Python. So after the while loop I'm giving an else. So not only for if statement, else is present for while loop also in Python. So in the else part I am giving loop exists when I value is, and I am closing the quotes and giving I value comma I there. So this else part will be executed only when the while loop condition becomes false. So only after printing I from 1 to 10, when the condition becomes false, when I becomes 11 less than or equal to 10 becomes false. So it will come to the else part of the while loop and print the value of I as 11. And you can see the output here. The output is printed in a single line because I have given the end parameter as space. It is getting printed in single line.